Mm, okay. In this session, we are going to talk about some statements which are needed while writing the programs. Some of them are declaration statement, assignment, input, output, control. Control we have already discussed in previous videos. Control statement simply there is to control the flows, so that is control statement. Declaration means simply uh, we have to use like a rem statement there. So for the comments, so there is rem, or simply you can use the single quote, and that becomes a declaration statement there. Clarify the some portion of code. And next is the mm, cost, means if we have some constant value, and for that we can use this cost keyword. There is a cost statement. How to write that? We write in this way, nothing more than. So this is a simple constant, whereas this is a symbolic constant, we can say that, which comes with CUNST keyword. And after that we cannot change the value. In the symbolic we cannot change the value. In general constant we can change the value. Team over, actually it is also a statement, and it is used to declare a particular variable, or we can that and so how. So first we have to use the team in the variable name as tag, maybe the string, maybe the integer, maybe the long, etc. So here is an example. Dim a as a string means a, it will be the string value. Next it can be the assignment statement, means if we have some values and we want to assign them, we can use this. Now assignment statement, for that let can be used like this one. It's very simple. Swap also can be the swap, means if we have two values and we want to interchange their values, then we can use swap. And for that we can use swap variable 1 and variable 2. Its value it will be given to the variable 1, and it will take the value of variable 2. That's all, nothing more. Here we can see that a is 5, b is 10. Then if we use swap ab, then this 5 it will be given to the b, and this 10 it will be taken by the a. Now we have CLS statement, and we have already used in some of the programs to clear the screen. And here is input output statement, to input the data, to output the data, and so on there. Uh, let's see some examples first. So this is the rem statement, we can see nothing more we have to do there. So it makes the line comment. We can also use a single, this one, so it becomes a comment, single quote, we can say that. That's all. Next is here, if we have some values to be assumed there, we can use let a equals to 50. So this is a so that assignment statement, we are assigning 50 to a. Yes. Similarly we can print the value here, a equals to a. Now running, it's 50. Yes. Similarly we can also do what, we can take a constant p equals to 16, print Okay, with this we can reduce. Now running the program. Here is the output. So this is late. Nothing more we have here. CLS we have already used there. Yes or no? Let's use the swap. Let's run this one. Here is 50 and 30. A is 30, B is 50. We have taken there. After swapping, A becomes 50 and then B becomes 30. Yes, and we can see. So this is called swap statement. Nothing more there. So this is how we can use multiple statements, and later we have already used them. Now let's go for the input. Yes, input statement.